Regions, provinces, and capitals. Region 1, Ilocos. Ilocos Norte Capital, Lawag City. Ilocos Sur Capital, Vigan City. La Union Capital, San Fernando City. Pangasinan Capital, Lingayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes Capital, Basco. Cagayan Capital, Tuguegarao City. Isabela Capital, Ilagan. Nueva Vizcaya Capital, Bayumbong. Quirino Capital, Cambaroquis. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, Capital Baler. Bataan, Capital Balanga City. Bulacan, Capital Malolos City. Pampanga, Capital San Fernando City. Nueva Ecija, Capital Palayan City. Tarlac, Capital Tarlac City. Zambales, Capital Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Cavite, Capital Tres Martires City. Laguna, Capital Santa Cruz. Batangas, Capital Batangas City. Rizal, Capital Antipolo City. Quezon, Capital Lucena City. Region 4B, Mimaropa. Oriental Mindoro, Capital Calapan City. Occidental Mindoro, Capital Mamburao. Marinduque, Capital Buak. Romblon, Capital Romblon. Palawan, Capital Puerto Princesa City. Region 5, Bicol. Albay, Capital Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, Capital Daet. Camarines Sur, Capital Pili. Catanduanes, Capital Verac. Masbate, Capital Masbate City. Sorsogon, Capital Sorsogon City. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, Capital Calibo. Antique, Capital San Jose. Capiz, Capital Rojas City. Guimaras, Capital Jordan. Iloilo, Capital Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, Capital Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, Capital Tagbilaran City. Cebu, Capital Cebu City. Negros Oriental, Capital Dumaguete City. Siquijor, Capital Siquijor. Region 8, Western Visayas. Biliran, Capital Naval. Eastern Samar, Capital Burungan City. Leyte, Capital Tacloban City. Northern Samar, Capital Catarman. Southern Leyte, Capital Maasin City. Western Samar, Capital Catbalogan City. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, Capital Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, Capital Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, Capital Ipil. Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Bukidnon, Capital Malaybalay City. Malaybalay City. Camigan, Capital Mambao. Lanao del Norte, Capital Tubod. Misamis Occidental, Capital Oroquieta City. Misamis Oriental, Capital Cagayan de Oro City. Region 11, Davao. Compostela Valley, Capital Nabunturan. Davao del Norte, Capital Tagum City. Davao del Sur, Capital Digos City. Davao Oriental, Capital City of Mati. Region 12, Sorsogon. Cotabato, North Cotabato, Capital Kidapawan City. Sarangani, Capital Alabel. South Cotabato, Capital Coronadal City. Sultan Kudarat, Capital Isulan. Region 13, Caraga. Agusan del Norte, Capital Cabadbaran City. Agusan del Sur, Capital Prosperidad. Dinagat Islands, Capital San Jose. Surigao del Norte, Capital Surigao City. Surigao del Sur, Capital Tandag City. ARMM Region, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, Capital Basilan. Lanao del Sur, Capital Marawi City. Maguindanao, Capital Sharif Agwak, Maganoy. Sharif Kabunsuan, Capital Datuudin, Sinsuat, Sulu, Capital Hulu. Tawi-Tawi, Capital Panglima, Sugala, Balimbing. CAR Region, Cordillera Administrative Region. Abra, Capital Bangged. Apayao, Capital Cabugao. Benguet, Capital La Trinidad, Ifugao capital Lagawe, Kalinga capital Tabuk, and Mountain Province capital Bontoc. The NCR region, National Capital Region. The cities, Caloocan, Las Peñas, Makati, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Manila, and Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, Valenzuela. Municipality, Pateros.